can't mislead the House in this manner. This is very unfortunate, sir.
Honorable members, one second. Take your seat. Honorable members, will you keep shut? Honorable members, the Honorable Minister has, Leader of the Opposition, in categorical terms stated that no part of dissent or any input by a member has been deleted. The statements made in the House constitute an act of impropriety. When the minister has made categorical statement, if you think contrary, take recourse to rules. Such a categorical statement, no. A responsible minister, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, has categorically referred in this House to the report. He is focused that no part of dissent, no part of input has been alleged, has been deleted, and therefore all that has been said according to the Honourable Minister is factually untenable. It is untruth. We cannot allow this House to set afloat untruths. No. The Minister is categorical, and I find there is an effort to make this House dysfunctional. The Minister has categorically asserted nothing else will go on record. Nothing else will go on record. Honorable Finance Minister.
Sir,
Honorable
the
Finance
Minister
Minister
says, the Minister has said categorically, and then the clarification about the rules are very clear, but we are being misled in this House as though there's a wrong thing. The Minister, in your presence, is saying the truth, and they don't want to even look at. And here is a member who says, how does the Minister know? Isn't the Minister the member of this House? What is this kind of a misleading of the House? By honorable members who are supposed to be familiar with the rules. It's outrageous, sir.
Sir, after the observations made by the Honourable Chair, there is nothing left to be clarified. However, the member, Mr. Abdullah, has just made a remark which Finance Minister also had responded appropriately. He says that how does the Minister know? Not only being the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, the Waqf Amendment Bill is related to ministry which I am handling, Ministry of Minority Affairs. And from the day one, every assistance is provided. Sir, I want to ask, during the proceedings of the JPC for last 6 months, some of the honourable members, just listen, some of the honourable members are here who are members of the JPC. They can clarify from the Ministry of Minority Affairs, is there any lack of support, absence of support from the ministry? I believe my own Secretary of the Ministry of Minority Affairs continuously attended the JPC meeting. All the officers are supporting them, and the proceedings were as per rule. And finally, when the report is tabled, it would be the fittest of the things if honourable members read the report and then raise any issue at the time when the bill is reintroduced again by the government. Right now, JPC report has been tabled. What is there to make such a hue cry about this table, which is a procedure? It is a normal procedure. Most of them, those who are raising issues, are also members in JPC. They are discrediting their own efforts. संजय सिंह जी, आप तो खुद मेंबर हैं, हाँ तो खुद मेंबर है JPC में, अपना रिपोर्ट का विरोध कर रही है। कितना ये अफसोस की बात है सर।
May I now allow Pramod Tiwari. Would you like to raise? Sir, no, they have to go to their seats. No, they have to go to their seat. No, 1 second. No, first you go to your seat. First you go to your seat. Yes, please. Yes, Nasir. Yes. And secondly, they also go to their seats. Sir, sir, खड़गे जी, मेरा बैठे सर, बैठे आप बैठिए सर, पहले आप स्थान ग्रहण कीजिए, मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है कि जब हम हाउस को शालीनता से चला सकते हैं तो यदि अगर 2 या 3 सदस्य यहाँ आकर जो आचरण कर रहे हैं वो चिंतन का विषय है, प्लीज। एंड नहीं, दे हैव गॉन देयर एवरी टाइम आते हैं, वो क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं? आखिर ये जो हो रहा है इससे पूरा राष्ट्र जुड़ा हुआ है। एक ऐसा मुद्दा है, अरे सुनिए, जिस आप बैठेंगे, ये एक ऐसा मुद्दा है जिस पर लोगों के मत होंगे, अनेक मत होंगे, अनेक विचारधाराएं होंगी, और यह सदन उन विचारधाराओं का संगम बनेगा। यह सदन अंत में जो निर्णय करेगा वो प्रजातांत्रिक व्यवस्था के हिसाब से होगा, वाद विवाद के हिसाब से होगा। मैं एक सेकेंड, आई विल कम टू यू साकेत, आई विल कम टू यू। मेरा एक सेकेंड, मेरा आप लोगों से अनुरोध है कि आप सभी सदन के सम्मानित सदस्य हैं, आप सबको इस बात का बोध है कि जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी की जो रिपोर्ट है उसकी अहमियत क्या है। अंत में वो सदन के समक्ष आती है और समय के ऊपर सदन में वाद विवाद होगा, विचार विमर्श होगा, मंथन होगा, और यदि अगर एक समानता नहीं आएगी तो एक विधिक प्रक्रिया के अनुसार उस पर निर्णय होगा। अब निर्णय वेल में आने से नहीं होगा, निर्णय स्लोगन शाउटिंग से नहीं होगा, निर्णय होगा आपके विचार की ताकत कि एक दूसरे को कितना परसुएड कर सकते हैं, और आखिर के अंदर प्रजातांत्रिक व्यवस्था में जो पद्धति है, जिस पद्धति के आधार पर सरकार का निर्माण होता है, उसी पद्धति से निर्णय होगा। तो मेरा यह कहना है कि अब इस विषय के ऊपर आगे न बढ़ते हुए मैं, आप बोलेंगे जीरो नहीं, पहले आप बैठिए। मैंने नासिर का भी नाम लिया है और मैंने साकेत का भी लिया है, और दोनों से मेरा अनुरोध रहेगा। बैठिए साकेत, बैठिए। ओके, ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स टू एक सेकंड, अरे मुझे सुनिए, एक बैठिए एक बार बैठिए। In order to facilitate smooth functioning of the House, I will give brief opportunity to Nasir and Saket and then take up my business. Sir, you sit, sir. Nasir. Nasir, 1 minute.
Sir.
1 minute.
Sir.
1 minute.
Hey, Nadeem bhai. Sir.
Okay.
Sir,
you don't want.
Sir.
I can't.
Sir,
ask him to sit. Ask him to sit,
yeah,
and not to rise till I ask him to rise.
Yeah. Sir, I cannot do that, sir. Sir, anyway.
Then do you want me to act? I can.
Sir.
1 minute. Go ahead.
Sir, I want to make it very clear. The Minister for Minority Affairs is misleading this House. I want to put it on record. I want to put it on record. I want to.
After him.
I want to put it on record. My own dissent note, introductory part, covering letter, and conclusion of my dissent note has been redacted. It is there in public domain. It was in website. I picked it up
you
from
can
there.
take recourse to law.
That I'll authenticate it.
Write to me.
Sir, I'll authenticate it. Number
Write
one.
to me. I'll take note of it.
Number one.